In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design creative Canva poster. We'll keep things simple and clear, and by the end you'll have a polished poster that looks professional without taking all day. Start by opening Canva and heading to the Templates section on the homepage. This is where Canva does a lot of the heavy lifting for you. Templates are pre-designed layouts that you can fully customize, which makes them perfect when you want a strong starting point without staring at a blank canvas. In the search bar, type the word poster. This tells Canva to show designs that are already sized and structured for posters, so you don't have to worry about dimensions. You'll see a wide range of styles: bold event flyers, minimal announcements, artsy layouts, and more. If you have a theme in mind, try adding a keyword after poster, like music, sale, or school, to refine the results. Take a moment to browse through the template results. Look for a layout with a clear focal point, strong hierarchy, and enough space for your key message. Think about where your headline will sit, how much text you need, and whether the imagery suits your topic. If you're not sure, focus on readability first. Large headline, short supporting text, and a simple callout area. You can also use Canva's filters for color or style to quickly narrow things down to the vibe you want. When you find a design that feels right, click Customize this template. Canva will open the editor with that layout ready to go on your canvas. This keeps all the typography and spacing intact while letting you swap out the content. Now, edit the template to make it yours. Replace the headline with your main message, and keep it short and punchy. Adjust the font if needed, but try to stick to one or two complementary fonts to maintain consistency. Update colors to match your brand or theme. Changing background and accent colors is an easy way to transform the mood. Swap images by dragging in your own photos or choosing from Canva's library, then use the crop and adjust tools to fine-tune framing and brightness. Modify shapes, icons, and lines to guide the eye without clutter. Use alignment tools and spacing controls to keep everything tidy, and check contrast to ensure text is readable from a distance. If you want to compare variations, duplicate the page, and test a different color or font weight. That's it. By starting with templates, searching poster, browsing thoughtfully, customizing, and then editing with intention, you'll produce a creative Canva poster that stands out and communicates clearly.